Hi, Assalamualaikum. With me again, Teacher Rin. In this video, we will learn Mathematics Form 3, Chapter 7, Plan and Elevation, 7.1, Orthogonal Projection, and the learning standard is 7.1.1, Draw Orthogonal Projection. And this is the second part of this learning standard. In our previous lesson, we have learned how to determine whether a drawing on a plane is called the orthogonal projection of an object. Okay, today we will learn how to draw the orthogonal projections depending on what asked in the question. You can draw an orthogonal projection of an object on a horizontal plane or a vertical plane using the following step. The first step is you must identify the type of plane and the direction in which the object that should be projected. Second step, draw normal lines from all vertices of the object to the plane. Make sure all the normal lines are straight and upright so that the length of projected side and the length of sides of object are the same. Third step, you must connect the points of intersection of the normal to the plane to draw the shape of the orthogonal projection. The final step is you need to redraw the orthogonal projection with actual measurement, label all vertices and side length. Let us look at some example. First example is this question. The diagram shows a right prism with rectangular base A, B, C, D. Okay. A, B, K, L, G, F is a uniform cross-section of the prism. The side AF and BK are vertical. Okay, what you need to do here is to draw the orthogonal projection of the object on a horizontal plane as viewed from Z. So now the first step is we need to identify the types of plane. So the types of plane here is a horizontal plane. Okay, Z is from the top of the object. So here we need to draw the orthogonal projection. Try to imagine that you are on the top of the object. So what will you see? First, you need to draw the normal line for all the vertices. Here, the vertices is A, all right, and then G. Going further is L, and then K and B, right? Okay, imagine that from top of the object, okay? So next is H, I, and then J. And don't forget the back there. One of the back there is E, okay? And then you need to redraw it. Okay, connect all the point, okay? And then you must redraw the orthogonal projection with actual measurement. Okay, you can see here. Okay, how to draw the orthogonal projection with an actual measurement? Okay, this one you can see how to label it. Okay, here, right. For example, here is PF. Okay, F going down to A. So the label is FA. Okay, and how about this one? ED. All right, so we read it from E going down. Okay, at the back there, ED. Okay, and here H. Okay, H going down, nothing more, right? So the label is H only, and then the same as I. Okay, going down here is what? J, and then C. Right here is KB. Okay, because we are viewing from top. So we must start from the top alphabet going down to the lower one. Alright. So this is G and L. So G and L. Alright. Next. Okay then, this is the second question from the same object given. Okay, now we are changing our viewing direction, which is from the side. Okay, can you see the X one? Alright, okay, X is the direction. And what is the type of plane you need to draw? Okay, type of plane is what? Vertical, okay, the vertical plane. So here is the plane that we will draw for this object lah. Okay, what you need to do is actually you just need to imagine it. Okay, for this video, actually I want to show the proper one. Okay, the proper way you should do. Okay, if you have understand it, you don't need to draw the normal line for each of the vertices. You just need to draw it depending on how you imagine, how you can see it in your own view. Alright, okay, from X, imagine that you are standing at the X, okay, at the point X. Alright, so you are standing there and the object is there. So what will you see? Okay, you can see two boxes or two rectangle. Alright, the upper one and the lower one, correct? Okay, but for this I will show to you the proper one, the proper way. Okay, how to draw it. Okay, you need to draw the normal line from each vertices. Okay, here looking from X. Okay, so here is the drawing, okay, the draft lah, okay, for what you can see. So here is the draft. Let us redraw the orthogonal projection with actual measurement. Okay, for this orthogonal projection, okay, how to label it? Okay, we are viewing from X, so from here going there. So here, okay, you can see first of all we just label the measurement 5 cm. Okay, right, from here is 2 cm. Okay, 2 cm, so we write it 2 cm. And here is, how can you say that this is 2? Okay, because here F to A is 4. So half of this is 2, so another half is 2. So 2, 2. Alright, how to label it? Okay, seeing from here, so you start with GF. Okay, putting it here means here lah. Okay, then HE, so HE will be stated here. Then going down JI. Alright, okay, before that we go here. Okay, BA. Alright, going down here, so BA. And then CD. Okay, CD. How about this one? This one, okay, the label is KL, okay, because it is in the middle, KL, and then JI, okay, here, JI. Okay, next. Okay, this is the third side of viewing. Okay, now we will view from front. Okay, you are standing at Y, okay, and then viewing the object. Alright, what will you see? Okay, before that you must determine first where is the plane. Okay, the plane is at the back of the object, right? Okay, the direction is from Y. Alright, and then you need to draw normal lines. Okay, normal line from each of the vertices. Okay, and then what will you see? Yes, okay, you just see the side FGLKBA only, right? Because you are standing at the front of the object, so you cannot see another side. All right, hope that you can understand what I'm trying to tell to you. What is the viewing direction? Okay, so here you need to draw it. Redraw the orthogonal projection with actual measurement. Okay, how to redraw it? Let's look at it. is the orthogonal projection from Y. We are seeing from front view. So you just read from front to the back and putting it here. Okay, what is the label first, the measurement? So you just put 6 and then 4, right? Okay, the label here, okay, 3. Okay, how can you say it is 3? Because here the same, right? So this is 3 and then this is 2. Okay, this is 2. Alright, okay, then we just label it. Okay, F going to E, so F slash E. Okay, then G slash H, K, L, I, K, J, B, C, and A, D. Okay. Okay, let us review this example. Okay, the diagram here show a cylindrical object on a horizontal plane. It is given that the diameter of the cylinder is 4 cm. You can see in the diagram, and its height is 6 cm. Draw the orthogonal projection of the cylindrical object on a horizontal plane as viewed from Z. Means that you need to view from the top. Alright, okay. And then vertical plane, okay, vertical plane as viewed from Y. Y is from the front, okay, front view. Okay, what should you do is, first of all, you take the first question is a view from Z. So from the top here, and then when it is from the top means the plane is horizontal. Okay, so what will you see if you view the object from the top? Okay, so you will see like, okay, like this. Okay, what you must do is to draw a circle. So to draw a circle, you need to use your compasses. Okay, open the compasses leg. Okay, open the compasses for, okay, how many cm? Okay, 2 cm, right? Because the diameter is 4, so you need to open the compass for 2 cm. Okay, for the radius, so you just draw the circle. Okay, so after that, you just need to label it. Okay, you can see here D A, right? Okay, D A. Okay, and then C B. So you write it here. Okay, so next is from front. Okay, front view. So the plane is at the back or vertical plane. Okay, the vertical plane. Okay, what can you see here is a rectangle. Okay, just a simple rectangle. Okay, and then you just label it. Okay, here you can see D. All right, D. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, D here. Okay, going D going here. All right, can you see it? Okay, C going here, A and B, and so on. So the measurement here you can see from the question. Okay, I think that's all for drawing an orthogonal projection. Hope to see you again in the next video to look at another topic on plane and elevation. Till we meet again. Assalamualaikum and happy studying.